Hey, today we're going to talk about uninsured motorist coverage. I know we have thousands of videos, or hundreds probably, of videos about uninsured motorist coverage. We can't talk about it enough because it's really important. The context of this conversation, though, relates to the necessity of having it. All right? Again, uninsured motorist coverage comes with a full policy if you order a full car policy from your carrier. You have to actually specifically reject it in writing for you not to have it. Some people think, oh, I don't need that. It sounds like an extra. It sounds like an add-on. It sounds like one of the things they ask you at the cash register, right? Before you check out at Best Buy or wherever. Do you want the warranty? Do you want this? Do you want that protection plan? And everybody says, no, 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 right? This is not that. This is basic. You need this. And the reason you especially need it in Florida is a person can legally drive in Florida and have no coverage for the injuries they cause another person. So let me say that again. A person can legally drive in Florida with a legal car insurance policy and have zero coverage for the injuries they cause another driver. Now think about that for a second. How many irresponsible people can you think of that have basic coverage, have no coverage for you, right, as the other driver, and drive recklessly or carelessly and they injure people, right? Those people are everywhere on the streets, unfortunately, okay? They just are. And even if they're not like intentionally or reckless, they're on their phones, okay? They just are. Everybody's on their phones. I challenge you to find somebody that's not on their phone that's driving. It's a hard thing to do, right? So they're not paying attention. They injure you, and they have zero for your injuries. So what happens? You get zero for your case, even if you're, heaven forbid, paralyzed or killed. You get zero. Your family gets zero for your case. Zero, unless you have purchased uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage on your policy. Because legally, you can drive in Florida with a car insurance policy that has no coverage for the other person's injuries. So, that's why it's important. Do not reject uninsured motorist coverage. Ask them, the agent, or if you're online, quote it with the uninsured motorist coverage and make sure you try and get as much as you can afford. It is basic. You need it. 100% you need it in Florida. Okay? So if you have questions about uninsured motorist coverage or why you need it and it hadn't been clear enough in this video, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE.